How to delete or unsave the saved chats on a Snapchat permanently. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we'll launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure that you log into your account. Now tap chat icon at bottom left corner. Now you will land on the chat page, where you have to simply open a particular chat where you have saved the snaps or any messages on a Snapchat. If you haven't saved any, tap on the save icon at bottom right, and then it has been saved in a Snapchat. So let's get that. So as you can see that we have got one of the saved chats. Simply you need to tap and hold that saved chat, and here you will see delete option. Tap delete and tap delete, and this will be removed permanently. Tap delete chat, and after that it will be permanently deleted or unsaved on a Snapchat. If you wish to delete the entire conversation, you can come back and tap and hold that particular chat on a Snapchat, and then you can easily tap on manage friendship and tap on remove friend or simply block, and they will be removed from the Snapchat and including their data as well. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.